Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is QAYYUM NABIL binti HAMRI. I am a student from ED241 TESOL Group C. So today I'd like to share my reflection on a SULAM project that I had the opportunity to be a part of called the Labyrinth Science Across Fields Project A. It was a STEM Explorers program planned and organized by over 50 fellow students from different education programs made for our participants of 230 Year 6 pupils at SK Batu Belah, Klang. So during the program, I served as a facilitator. I guided a group of pupils throughout the Explorers, explained the activities at each station, answered their questions and made sure everyone was actively involved in the activities. This project gave me the opportunity to work with real pupils and experience what it actually feels like to guide and support young learners. When people see a program like this, they usually only see what happens on the event day. What they don't see is the amount of preparation that happens behind the scenes. One of the biggest challenges for me was during the planning stage. There were many meetings, discussions, and preparations before the program could finally take place. Since there were many committee members involved, communication became one of the biggest challenges. We had to make sure everyone understood their responsibilities, update each other regularly, and solve problems whenever there were changes to the plan. Another challenge was managing our time. We had a schedule to follow, and with around 230 pupils participating, it was not easy. As a facilitator, there were moments when the pupils became very excited during the activities, and I had to find a way to get everyone in control again without taking away the fun. Instead of worrying whenever something unexpected happened, I learned to stay calm and adapt whenever things didn't go exactly as planned. This project gave me something that books and lectures can't fully provide, which is real experience with real pupils. I learned how important communication is. Giving instructions may sound simple, but when you're speaking to children, you have to think carefully about the words you use. The instructions need to be clear, simple, and easy to follow. At the same time, you need to encourage them, answer their questions, and make sure every child feels included. I also learned to be adaptable. Not every pupil learns in the same way, and not every situation goes according to plan. That experience taught me that a good teacher doesn't only prepare a lesson, but also knows how to adjust according to the students' needs. Besides that, I developed leadership and responsibility. Even though I was only guiding one group, the pupils depended on me throughout the activities. One moment that I will never forget was when the pupils I facilitated recognized me as their teacher. The pupils started calling me teacher even though I never introduced myself as a teacher. In fact, I only told them my name, but somehow they saw me as someone who was there to guide them, and they naturally called me teacher. This small moment meant a lot to me that I value and proud of as a future teacher. I believe this program created a meaningful learning experience for the pupils as well. Instead of learning STEM only through textbooks, they explored the concepts through hands-on activities, teamwork, and problem solving. Seeing how excited they were whenever they completed a challenge or worked out an answer together reminded me that students learn best when they are actively involved in the learning process instead of simply listening to explanations. Learning can happen anywhere when students are given the chance to explore, ask questions, and learn through experience. Even though our program only lasted for one day, I hope we were able to inspire the pupils to enjoy learning and become more interested to learn. This project has given me more confidence in working with pupils and reminded me why I chose to become a teacher in the first place. In the future, I hope to apply the communication, adaptability, and leadership skills I developed through this experience in my own classroom. I want to create a learning environment where students feel comfortable participating, asking questions, and enjoying the learning process. Looking back, this SULAM project was much more than just a university assignment. It became an important step in my journey as a future educator, and the moment when pupils called me teacher is something I will always remember and carry with me. Thank you for watching.